Hey friends, it's Kendra here. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I have so much to tell y'all, but before we get into it, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I noticed that I've gained a lot of locked beauties, and I'm so excited because I know that y'all can help me on this journey. We can help each other on this journey, basically. But I've gained a lot of new followers, new subscribers, and I'm super excited about it. So thank you guys so much for being here. If you are new and you have not hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell while you're at it, because that bell will allow you to know every time I upload a video. So we don't want you to miss out on anything. So if you have any questions, you want to make sure that you're staying tuned to my videos. And if you're an OG, shout out to you for being here, for always holding me down, for always supporting your girl, even through this new hair journey. You guys, I was super shocked at the responses that I got in regards to me locking my hair. Majority of it was very positive. I honestly thought y'all were gonna like, we don't want to follow her no more. She ain't got no more taper cut. She's not doing no more natural hair. So we kind of done with Miss Kenshay or Kendra Kenshay. No, you guys held me down. And in fact, a lot of you are thinking about locking yourself. So I'm super excited. Maybe we can do this journey together, okay? But I'm here to basically show y'all everything throughout this journey. I'm still learning, okay? I'm researching every day things about my microlocs, about these about my microlocs. So let's go on the journey together, you guys. But this video is basically going to give you guys some information on what's been happening with my hair over this past month. And I'm going to give y'all a close-up of what it looks like, you guys. I did my first retie by myself. Lord, we're going to get into that, but Lord is all I can say, y'all. Oh my gosh. Without further ado, I'm going to quit rambling. And if you guys are interested in hearing all of this great information, keep on watching. If you follow my Instagram, then you are privy to all of the information, because I am keeping you guys updated via my Instagram stories. So you guys, listen, if you don't follow my Instagram, I would suggest that you do, because a lot of your questions can be answered. If you do go to my Instagram, it's at Kendra Kenshay. You'll see that on my highlight, on my page, there's a highlight called Lock Journey. And in that highlight, it goes from the beginning all the way till now. So I've been documenting to kind of keep you guys up to date. And for anyone who newly follows me, they can just click on that highlight and see everything. Okay, you guys, so today is officially November the 8th. I established my microlocs on October the 8th. If you have watched any of my previous video, they will be linked up here. I will put the playlist for my lock journey right up here, so you guys can go back and look at those videos. But I established these on October the 8th, and I did them with 2-strand twist. All right, very small 2-strand twist. I gridded it myself. I twisted it myself. The only products that I used to twist was 100% shea butter. I used a very small amount just to make sure that, because when I put these in, I wasn't sure if I was going to lock or not. I was putting in the micro twist to see how I could handle them, because I know that I was going to be treating them as though they were sister locks, so I was going to be handling them as such, meaning I wasn't going to be putting products in my hair. I, was going to get was going to band and braid my hair for wash day. So I was basically going to give myself like a trial to see if this is something that I really want to do. And like the second day into it, I had my mind made up, like I'm locking my hair, okay? It was done. It's already made up. So I did micro locks because I had watched a lot of videos on how to start locks. There's many different ways that you can start them. You can start them with braids, you can start them with twists, you can freeform, sister locks, interlocks, all of that. So there's many different ways, but I chose to do 2-strand twists, micro locks, because one, I was watching some videos and some of the ladies were saying that they lock up faster. That time will tell. I don't know. I don't have anything to compare it to, but we'll see. So I decided to do the 2-strand twist, and like I said initially, it was just to see if I could handle like this. And like I said, within 2 days, I was like, okay, yeah, I'm locking. It's official. So I did the two-strand twist October the 8th. Literally, I woke up at 9 p.m. after watching a video. I think her name is Just Audria. I will put her channel down below. I saw, because I have been doing research on sister locks, so I would get like random sister lock videos from channels that I'm not subscribed to. And Just Audria, I think it's Just Audria, hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, but she popped up on my homepage on YouTube and I was like, whoa, that is gorgeous. She literally had a short tapered cut. And she had a sister lock. And when I tell y'all, oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Her hair is like super long now. But when she started, that gave me hope. I was like, her hair was way shorter than mine. Way shorter than mine when she started. So I was like, okay, if she can sister lock a taper cut, like, what am I doing? What am I doing? Because I had been thinking about locks for years, y'all. This is not, you know, something new. This is something that I have been thinking about for years. So she popped up on my home screen and I was like, okay, all right. It was 9 p.m. at night. I was in bed. I jumped out of bed, y'all, and I started twisting my hair. Didn't have a game plan. Didn't know what I was doing. All I know is that I was installing twist. All right, micro twist in my hair. I said I'm going to do them really small to look like sister locks so that, you know, I can see if I can handle it. Girl, took me 14 hours, 2 sittings of 7 hours. However, a couple of weeks down the road, I decided to split some of them in half because I felt like they were too large. I'm gonna have to do a recount because the last time I checked it was 541. I know that there's a lot more now. I'll do a count and I will let you guys know that. But yeah, so 14 hours later, I had these micro twists in my hair, and I was like, okay, you know what? Let's see how this goes. So did the twist, and ever since then, I've been kind of treating my hair as though they were sister locks. So no products have been added to my hair. I did my first wash about a week ago. I used the Suave Clarifying Shampoo and only rose water. I'll put those products down below in the description box if you guys are interested in checking them out. So it's been a full month now, you guys, and my hair is doing so good. Aside from doing my ReTie, okay? So I had called a consultant in my area. We scheduled an appointment. She called me like the day before the appointment and she said, my family has the flu. I can't do anything. I'm gonna have to call you back and reschedule. Cool, that's fine with me. Okay, cool. She never called back. Okay, so, but at the 3-week mark, I decided to start my ReTie, okay? Because at this point, the consultant hadn't called me back and I was just like, maybe she just doesn't want to do my hair. I don't know. But anyway, I said, okay, you know what? I went on Amazon and I ordered a tool and it said it was a lock tool. So I ordered this tool on Amazon and I said, wait a minute, this tool is way too big to lock my hair. Like, I felt like it was too wide right here, but believe it or not, this thing worked. It worked, okay? Do you see how wide this is right here? And to be pulling that through my small locks, oh my God, I thought it was gonna be a problem, but it actually was not. When I did get close to my roots, it was a little bit hard, but I was thinking maybe I was doing it a little bit too tight if I couldn't pull that tool all the way through. So once I figured that out, I started, you know, leaving just a tiny bit of space between the lock and my root, just so that I didn't do my reties too tight because I didn't want to put too much tension on my hair. And I did hear that if you do that, that could cause some breakage. So I definitely didn't want to do that. So the tool worked out for me. The only problem that I had was in the very short areas of my hair. And still, there are a couple of locks in the back that I have not been able to establish because it's just the shortest part of my hair. I don't think it's an inch long. So if you guys would recommend any tools, I mean, I've seen so much on YouTube about how to make the tools and things like that. But if you guys could recommend a tool, maybe something I can purchase, let me know because like I would buy it, okay? I would buy it. So my experience with retightening my hair, okay? First of all, I was really slow at it because it was my first time doing it, and that's okay. That is totally okay. But it took me forever, you guys. And the way that my life is set up, I'm a business owner. I have 2 kids, and then I'm a YouTuber and influencer, so I'm quite busy. My business is taking up the majority of my time. My kids take up the majority of my time. They both play, both are into sporting things, so they're always busy. So it's always a game or a band competition or something to go to. So the way that my life is set up, I can't just sit for hours and retighten my hair in one sitting. I have to do it, you know, day by day. So I started a week ago, and I just finished like a day ago. So it took me literally 6 days on and off to retighten my hair. And I just took my time. Like, I started over here, I did this section, and then I did this section, and then I did these, and then I did this, okay? And it took me forever, okay? The first half of my hair took me so long. I started at 9 p.m. and at 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. So 5 hours just for this right here. Like this, just for this. And I realized that it did take me a lot longer because I was retightening twists. So it was a little bit, I think the next time I retighten my hair, it'll be a lot faster because I didn't really have to, I won't have to establish the interlocking. Do you know what I mean? So for the first time doing the retightens on 2-strand twist, I feel like I had to establish some things. I still have the twist in there, but at the root, it's not even an inch long. It's just at the new growth where the interlocking starts. So I just felt like I had to do a lot to get the interlocking started. But I think next time, since the interlocking is already established, I think retightening is going to be a lot faster. But the experience was pretty dope. I did the 4-point system. So I did from north to south, east to west, south to north, west to east. I had to think about that. So I did the 4-point interlocking method, and I think it worked out fine. I made sure that I kept it tight so that down the road I won't have any holes in my locks, because we don't want that. So I made sure I kept it very tight, very tightly together. And yeah, even though it took me so long to do, I feel like, you know, I did an absolutely fantastic job for my first time. I mean, I watched a lot of different videos on it, and I'm very grateful that those videos are out there. I'm so grateful because they helped me a lot. But it took me forever, but I feel like I did a great job. I kept my parts clean. There may be some areas where, you know, somebody, because I can't see back there may be some areas where when I do go to see a consultant, she may need to fix a couple of things. But, you know, for the most part, I'm pretty happy with what I did. I really took my time and made sure that I was interlocking correctly, made sure that my parts were straight. I still have every single straight line that I made in my hair, especially in the front, because the front's really important. I like side parts, so I like to be able to middle side. I like to be able to deep side parts. I like to be able to part my hair in the front, and I'm very happy, and I'm going to show you guys that soon. I'm very happy with how I was able to keep my parts together. And after I did my wash, I just kept the sections as is, as I was going through the retightening. And that helped things to stay a lot more organized, and it helped me to move through, you know, those sections a lot faster. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into showing you guys what my hair looks like. Here, the only thing I did was I pinned one side up and put a bobby pin in it, and I absolutely love how this style came out. You know, locks just cascading on one side, and then this side kind of back and out of my face. I absolutely love this style. I think it's super cute. So I'm gonna be laying low on the styling a little bit just to, you know, kind of lessen the manipulation so that my hair can actually lock up, okay? And so you guys won't see a whole bunch of styling, but best believe you guys, once I start locking and, you know, I feel like my locks are starting to settle in and mature a little bit more, then I'll, you know, really dive into some styles. So just be on the lookout. Just bear with me. You know, it's a journey. Y'all know it's a journey. And the best thing for me to do is basically keep my hands out of my hair to allow the process to happen. So that's, going forward, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm thinking about doing these monthly. Let me know. Should I do them like every 3 months, every month? I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you want to see? Do you want to see updates monthly on my hair? Do you want to see it every 3 months, 2 months, what? Just let me know, comment below and let me know, and I'll figure out what to do from there. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Bye.